Howdy and hello y'all, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be doing a GDevelop tutorial. Now this is something that is the first time on this channel, but I would love to do more of these in the future. So today, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to make a color customization thing in GDevelop. Let's get into it. Alright, so first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to make your palette. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to keep it simple and just put the 4 basic colors. And you'll want basically wherever your player can get their color from. And once you make your palette, put it in. All right. After that, you're going to want to make your player or whatever you want to change the color of with the palette. Make that art. I'm going to make this simple guy. Now that we have this simple guy here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the extensions and you're going to get the ReadPixels extension. The ReadPixels extension will let you read the pixels on screen, the R, the G, the B, and the alpha. Once you have done that, you'll want to go in, place your objects in if you haven't already. You'll want to make a variable, and you'll want this variable to be whatever color it is. And now you'll want to go to events, and you'll want to make a thing that's always happening. So leave the first part blank. The second part, you'll want it to have tint, your player's or object's name, and then set it to whatever you named your color variable. Next, what you'll want to do is you'll want to go create another one. So you want to make it where if the cursor is on the palette, and you're going to want to change the tint of the player again. This time, you're going to type this very, very complicated thing. I'm going to put it on screen right now. So basically, to explain it, the first thing is to read the ToString ReadPixels, ReadPixelRed, MouseX, MouseY. That reads the red pixel on the mouse's coordinate. Then the same thing on the green and then on the blue. That changes it to that. Now, what you'll want to do is copy and paste it. This time, invert the cursor touch on palette. And this time, just make it where change tint of player to color. And then you'll want to set a touch or mouse button down and set it to probably left, whichever one you want to use. And once you do that, change the variable, copy paste the text from the tint, because let's be honest, you don't want to type that again. Copy paste it over. Make sure that your variable for the mouse is trigger once. Mouse loud. And once you're done with that, you should have a working color palette. As long as nothing happens in the future that makes it not work anymore. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you'd like to see more GDevelop tutorials, because I'm going to make more, leave a comment below asking what you'd like to learn. I can't guarantee that I can make a good tutorial on it, but I can try. Toodles, y'all.